Hello everyone, I'm Yanlin, and today I will present our CVPR 2026 paper, the UniM, a unified end-to-end interleaved multimodal benchmark. This is joint work with collaborators from the National University of Singapore, South China University of Technology, the Nanyang Technological University, Nanjing University, and Microsoft Research. I will organize the presentation into 6 parts. With the development of the multimodal LMs, we are thinking that where future foundation multimodal models might be headed and what trends we might see. We think there are 4 main perspectives. The first, they will support more modalities, and they will cover a broader variety of tasks, and then they will have a richer capabilities, and fourth, they will be applied in more realistic scenarios. So we claim that in the future, the multimodal LMs will support more and more modalities input and the output, and finally support any modalities input to any modalities output, aimed for unified understanding and generation. Once multiple modalities appear in both the input and the output, an important question is how to organize them. In the real-world scenarios, the information from the different modalities is usually interleaved together. So the end-to-end interleaved is a more realistic application scenario, as shown in this figure. However, the existing benchmarks still have some gaps. The first, most interleaved benchmarks focus on text and image, which cannot represent the end-to-end paradigm. And second, lack of the unified end-to-end evaluation. Third, the many tasks are single capability and limited in domain diversity. So there is a need for a comprehensive benchmark that evaluates the unified end-to-end interleaved multimodal understanding and generation across diverse modalities, domains, and complex reasoning abilities. So we do it. Our UniM, the first unified end-to-end interleaved benchmark, has 6 core highlights. The end-to-end interleaved modalities, the universal and diverse capabilities, the multi-domain coverage, the multiple tasks per instance, the progressive difficulty, large scale and high quality, and this figure shows the dataset construction pipeline and the quality control. For better evaluation, we built a suite with 3 dimensions and 13 metrics. The suite evaluates the performance of the multimodal LMs from the semantic correctness and generation quality, response structure integrity, and the interleaved coherence. Because there is no existing baseline can support any combinations across 7 modalities, so for the fair evaluation, we also designed the supporting rate, which is the rate of the supporting subset. And we also proposed the UniM, the Unified End-to-End Agentic Model. The UniM has 3 modules, the receiving module, the traceable evidence reasoning module, and the generating module. The receiving module converts the non-text modalities into text descriptions, and traceable evidence reasoning module generates and refines the evidence to produce a consistent and verifiable report for guiding the generation. And generation modules produce the interleaved multimodal outputs, completing a loop from the understanding to generation based on the report. And here we provide some experiment results. The experiment shows that the UniM is challenging for current models, based on opting very low scores, and our UniM shows clear better performance on the UniM benchmark. So overall, we summarize 3 contributions. We introduced the UniM, the first unified end-to-end interleaved multimodal benchmark, including the 31,000 high-quality instances spanning 30 diverse domains, covering the 7 representative modalities. And we further developed the UniM evaluation suite, which evaluates the models along 3 dimensions. And we also proposed the UniM, a unified end-to-end interleaved multimodal agentic model capable of the supporting any interleaved combinations of the 7 modalities. Thank you for listening. Please check the paper and project homepage and I would be happy to discuss any questions about our paper. So thank you.